Today I will explain more detail about our group presentation. First, I will talk about introduction. First, the water flow along the part of the runner. Second, nozzle direct forcefully stream of water against a series of spoon-shaped bucket mounted around the edge of a wet pipe. Third, when water flow into the bucket, the direction of the water velocity change. Next, I will talk about objective. First, to fulfill the requirements of subject. Second, to have a better understanding about the invention of water turbine. Third, to gain experience how to build a Pelton wire. Thank you.
Okay, I will continue our presentation about our calculation. This is our diagram. This is a water supply. Okay, from our project, we get a length of the pipe is. This is a length of pipe of 0.5 meter, and also the meter of the pipe is 0.02 meter, and the coefficient C is 0.02. And there is a Z from a datum. Okay, for diameter Z is 0.03, where the diameter Z is here. And we assume the beta is 16, and diameter of field is 0.025 meter, and head loss is 0.9 meter. Okay, after that, we assume the nozzle velocity is a coefficient C is 0.96, and it was approximately value, and we use 0.98, and we set the overall efficiency at least more than half, 18%. Okay, after that we find Vj. This is our formula. CV multiple square root of 2GH, and we substitute the value, and we got the final answer is 4.1181 meter per second, and Vz is equal to Vf2.
Assalamualaikum sir, I'm Afina, and I would like to continue my friend presentation. For the previous presentation, we already obtained the value of Vz, and here I would like to calculate the value for V2 by applying the formula of Vf2 over tangent alpha. Vf2, we substitute the value by 4.1181 for tangent alpha, tangent 60, and we get the value, which means 2.3776 meter per second. We can equate this equation with Vz equation, so we can find the Bernoulli equation of the system. Here is the equation. We cancel the P1, V1, P2, V2 equal to 0, and we obtain the new equation for the head loss. As the finalization, HL equal to FL over D, V2 over 2G, and we substitute the value for F 0.02, L 0.5, D 0.02, V 2.3776, and 2G. 2 times by 9.81, and we get the value for head loss, 0.02 meter. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. I will continue the presentation about the calculation for our project. So in my part, I will present about the omega, flow rate, and internal velocity. So for omega, we use the formula Vz over D. D is a diameter of wheel. So we substitute the value 4.1181 divided by 0.025, and we got the answer 164.725 radian per second. Okay, next we find the flow rate. Formula of flow rate is AJ Vj. So we use the formula pi. Substitute the value 0.003 square over 4 times 4.1181. So we got the answer 2.9109 times 10 to the power of negative 5 meter cube per second. Next, we find the internal velocity. For internal velocity, we use the formula R omega. So the value of R is 0.0125, and the value of omega is 164.724. So the answer is 2.0591. That's all. Thank you.
So I will continue. This is my part. Since we know the velocity of Vz, we can find the power by the shaft. Okay, this is a formula. We use this formula, and we substitute all the information that we know. So we get negative 0.0612 watt. So we can calculate the power output also, since we assume the
overall efficiency is 80%. So we substitute all the value that we find from the others. So we get 0.2056 watt. And that's all for my part. I will pass to my friends. Thank you.
So the last part, we need to find top of shelf. So first, when we get the power of shelf, we can find the top of shelf. So as we know, the formula of power of shelf equal to top shelf multiple of omega velocity. So we put the value into the formula, negative 0.0612 divide 164.724, and we get top shelf equal to negative 3.7153 10 to the power of negative 3 n. That's all.